I want to show you 3 fun ways to have fun with Video Track 2. So in Video Track 1, I just have myself talking. And on Video Track 2, here's 3 fun things you can do. One very simple thing is if you go to backgrounds, there's something here called overlays. And I think there's 15 or 18 different overlays. I wish there were more because they're really fun. These are just fun little animated clips, very quick. And let's say I like this one with the heart. I can just drag it down onto Video Track 2. And now it's going to appear right over whatever it is you have on Video Track 1. If I want it, I can double click on it and I can edit it the same way that I edit any other clip. I can make it bigger or smaller. I can move it along, save changes. And when I go to preview it, you'll see that it's now going to be where I put it over here. So again, overlays are very easy to use. There's a snowing one. There's a nose one for some reason. There's a countdown, etc. So that's one fun thing you can do with Video Track 2 is have fun with overlays, which are again in backgrounds. Another thing you can do is have fun with stock media. So there's 2 ways to do this that I can think of off the top of my head. One is I'm going to look for hearts. And let's say this is a lovey-dovey book talk and I have a picture of 2 people holding hands and I'm talking about 2 people falling in love. And I'm going to grab these hearts because I want them to sort of be an overlay. Now, what you would normally see if I don't do anything else except put this down here, all you're going to see is the hearts and you'll hear what's on Video Track 1, but you're going to see what's on Video Track 2 because it's higher. However, I can turn this opacity down. I can make this sort of see-through. And the way you do that is the second little bar called opacity options. I know we've been over this before, but just as a refresher, if you click that little bar, you'll get this green line here, and I can make this more see-through, more transparent. Less opaque, more transparent. I'll turn it down to say 28% and see what it looks like. That looks pretty cool. So it's just a way to do an effect. You can make it more or less opaque or transparent. That's totally up to you. You could also have it fade in. Maybe you wanted it to become totally opaque. So that is how you could do that. It's going to get more opaque by the second if you do it this way. And that's sort of true and sort of not true. Until it's totally opaque and then I'm back in the scene. So that's the second thing. The third thing I want to show you is how to use a green screen on Video Track 2. And not even you having to use it, but green screen effects that already exist. And I can see one right here that's hearts, but I'll search green screen hearts to see if there's any more. Let's say, no, I want to use hearts. So there it is again. So what's going on here? So it looks like all these hearts are going to suddenly come down. Okay, let's use this one. So I'm going to drag this down. And again, if I don't do anything, what I am going to get is, I'm going to see exactly that. The green screen, and now here come the hearts. But what you do if you have green screen is you double click on that clip. And then this little icon here, which has a person, it's supposed to be a person standing in front of a green screen. Then you just click this dropper and you click on the green. It's going to get rid of all the green. So you can see what's going to happen here. Save changes. Now let's see what this is going to look like. By Nettie Potter. And that's sort of true and sort of not true. There we go. Pretty cool. So one thing you can do is just search for like various green screen options and see what they have. Like here's just one of a plane taking off. Let's see what that looks like. If I drag the plane taking off, again, I'm going to double click it. You have to make sure you're in this icon. Click the dropper, click the green to get rid of it. There I am. Save changes. And now, hopefully, there's going to be a plane taking off in the middle of this. There it is. That's sort of true and sort of not true. That was pretty cool. So again, those are 3 fun ways to have fun with Video Track 2. Let me know if you have any questions.